So we've reached the waterfall thing. It's not really a waterfall. Oh yeah, look, there's a little bit. I think a little bit's come down, at least. After long depths of everything, after long depths of what's it called? Rocks and trees and moss and stuff like that. We're here. So, sorry, this is a separate episode. Charlotte, do you want to hold it? Sorry, it's a separate episode because my thingy, like, it stopped. So I had to start it all over again.
Is this the first episode?
No, this is like this is episode 2, part 2, because it stopped the other one. Oh. Oops. Sorry. Accidentally. But that was a touch with my finger.
I'm taking a picture of this. This is awesome.
Yeah, this is actually really pretty, but
There
just nothing.
might be crabs on the rocks.
There's like there's little trickles and stuff, but at least it's better than nothing. Ain't it, Charlotte? It's better than nothing. What are you taking a picture of? The leaves.
Looks cool. Look.
You can edit it.
I know you can edit it.
I'm saying you should edit, because she's really good at editing.
Yeah, I know. I'm awesome at editing. I'm the editing queen.
And I'm the drawing queen.
No, I'm the drawing queen.
No, you're already editor queen. I'm drawing queen.
Be careful up there. I stood on a loose rock up there.
Oh, there's loose rocks.
Do you want me to help you, Ayla? I'll help Ayla. No.
So, Charlotte's editing her photo. I'm sitting on a rock.
Yeah, she does. No,
I'm sitting on a rock.
Help on me.
And we're waiting for Tamika to come down. But she's on her phone. So that's always a bonus.
Yeah, I just got to them, bud. Hold on to my stick.
You getting there, Charlotte?
Yeah.
What you looking at?
I'm doing it.
She's editing it. I think we're going back up. We're going back up? Yep, going back up. So, I'll come back when we're actually up there. So, bye-bye. So, we finished the walk, but it didn't end well. Charlotte ended up hurting herself. Tamika and Charlotte having a fight, but yeah, it was really pretty and everything. So, hope you enjoyed our first episode. We'll see you later. Bye.